Hi, this is April with Easy Curly Hairstyles. Today I'm sharing how I refresh my wavy curly hair. This is how I sleep with my hair pinned up with this goody jaw clip, and this is day 2. I styled my hair yesterday, and this is morning hair, so it looks pretty good. And I usually sleep with it wrapped in a silk scarf or use a silken pillowcase or both. And I'm going to be refreshing my hair with my Biotera Alcohol-Free Defining Gel with a pump. I bought mine from Sally Beauty Supply. And what I'm going to do is just have a little bowl of water, or you can have some water in the sink, and I use that to dip my fingers in some water and then get a pea-sized amount of the gel and mix that together. So I'm creating this watered down gel solution that I'll be pressing through my hair. So you'll see I'm just trying to find where the curl clumps naturally are, and I'm just going to go with that. Just pressing softly, bringing those curl families that I like to call them back together for a more defined curl. I have not had any success with spraying my hair with water or with any type of refreshing spray. It seems to make my hair frizzy. So this method has really allowed me to have more control over the definition of my curls and really being able to highlight their natural pattern. And I work from one side of my head, starting with the underneath portion, then doing the top, and then slowly moving around my head. I don't need to use any sectioning clips, but if you do have thicker hair, that would be helpful to tie up one section of your hair with a clip while you're working towards the other areas. And I do have to mention, one reason why refreshing my hair is so successful is because of my haircut. I love my haircut. It's layered throughout with the back cut in a U-shaped line instead of straight across. And then I also have face framing layers as well. I'll leave a link below of how I apply my styler as well, because that's important to note of how I set my hair on day 1 for the next few days. I do use this Biotera gel, and then I also use a root volumizer to create that lift at the crown. Leave me some recommendations below if you have some root volumizers that work really great for you, as I'm looking for a new one, as mine just ran out and it's from a salon that I can't get to anymore. For days 3 and 4, there's just a couple of things I add to the refreshing routine, because since I pin up my hair for sleeping to protect the top layer of my curls, the bottom layer of course gets stretched out by being pulled up each night. I still have a little bit of volume left on day 3, so I just try to lightly fluff that out just to bring up those curls. And there is some parts now that are getting a little bit stringy, and so I'm just going to follow the same routine. I usually on day 3 I just have to wet a little bit more than I did on day 2, just to try to reactivate the product and get the curl pattern back. But as you can see, this underneath part has really lost its curl. It's really just wavy and almost straight in some places. But just wait, this looks like it's going to be impossible for me to make it look again like day 1 or day 2, but it's possible. Somehow this magic gel and this method really still works. So what I do is on some parts that need a little bit of reactivation, I'm going to coil it with my fingers. So I do wet it quite a bit so that I can manipulate it back into that curl pattern. And then somehow as I go around my head, the product just helps to bring my hair back to life. The gel brings some shine back to any of those strands that look a little bit dried out. I still have the volume at the roots, so my hair is going to bounce back. You can already see it here that it's looking pretty finished. With flat hands, I apply some of that gel with a little bit of water just over the top of my hair and around my face, and that's it. See, what do you think? Pretty shiny, still has some of that curl pattern on the top. It sort of hides those wavy pieces underneath. And I'm ready to go. But I must tell you, day 4 is a bit of a different story. You can see I'm losing a lot of my curl now. It's really, really wavy. So most times day 4 would just be a wash day. But here I'm going to show you what I will do to just give it a try anyway. Because it's not bad, it's just that it's really flat. So I'm just going to try the fluffing again, the same re-wetting, some coiling, just to get some of that definition back. But it's still going to be flat. So I'm just going to use a hairstyle and some hair accessories to make it a fun style. And I'll link down below some other videos that I have with some fun styling ideas to add some more lift at the roots and to still show off those beautiful curls. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you had enjoyed this. Like and subscribe to be notified when I post a new video. I'll see you next time.